I have managed to bag myself a nice little Optiplex 790. Well, not exactly little. But can this nearly 7-year-old PC still play some modern games? Well, maybe with a little bit of upgrading, a new GPU, a new power supply, we might be able to get it to work. Let's see what we can do about that. Our graphics are supplied by the R7 260X, which can be picked up used for £50 with 2GB of GDDR5 memory. Our power supply is covered by the Corsair VS550, which can be bought for £38 brand new on Amazon. None of the components within this machine will exceed the 550 watt power limit, so it's going to be perfect. So you may have noticed as of recent that I've been focusing mostly on Dells. Now there is a reason for that. I feel like they're the most commonly available PC for a person to upgrade and for someone to follow along to this video and upgrade their own PC. And well, to be honest, the case designs on these Dells look proper cool. And although a lot of people on YouTube may be against it, there's something about upgrading an old PC that is just satisfying. I mean, GHD said it first. Also, I'd recommend you check out his videos because I take a lot of inspiration from him. Seeing people call these old machines junk and worthless, and seeing them perform really well in games, and proving them wrong, it's just funny to me. But enough about that. Let's see how this old Dell with its i5 and now fully upgraded AMD graphics smash some new titles.
Everybody ask me how I know. I smiled at them and said she told me so. Everybody ask me how I know. I smiled at them and said she told me so. Everybody ask me how I know. I smiled at them and said she told me so. Everybody, 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 everybody. Everybody ask me how I know. I smiled at them and said she told me so. I know. Everybody ask me how I know. I smiled at them and said she told me so. I know. Everybody ask me how I know. I smiled at them and said she told me so. I know. Everybody ask me how I know. I smiled at them and said she told me so. I know.
So what have we learned in this video? Well, first of all, I am pleasantly surprised by this machine. I say this as it rivals my ASUS gaming laptop, which cost a heck of a lot more. We've also proved you don't have to have an ultra expensive GTX 1080 Ti with the latest i9 processor to get some playable frame rates. I would recommend this tank of a machine to anyone looking to get into some newer games on a low budget. I'm Owen, thanks again for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.